Hi guys, how are you doing? How was your day? Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate. Yeah, so today we are in the what you can see behind me. We are in the kitchen, and what we are going to do, we are going to cook. In English, I think it's sliver fish. In Kenya, it's omena. In Uganda, it's mkene. So, you're going to cook omena or sliver fish or mkene, and ugali or posho, and skuma, yeah? So, be on as we cook our meal today. So, we're going to cook dinner for today, yeah? Keep it on, watch and see how we prepare our omena and skuma plus, yeah? Thank you. So guys, we are going to start with our omena, yeah, right? So after having your omena like this, I'm just going to cook this, and it's just little. So I'm just going to start selecting one by one, yeah, because I first fry a little bit, yeah. As you can see here, you're going to get your plate or anything. So omena is here, guys. So after here, you're going to select one by one, yeah, as you can see. Yep. So you're going to select one by one as you put here, yeah. You guys, today's omena, I'm going to cook it like the way Kenyans cook their omena. I'm not going to cook it like Ugandans, how we cook. No, Ugandans, when they cook omena or sliver fish, we put a lot of soup, a lot, yeah. So we put a lot. You smash your matoke, you eat, and it's very sweet. So feel like you want to do it, you can do it. It's very nice. So, but in Kenya, the way that they normally use this with ugali, they do not. So we are going to cook it as Kenyans, not as Ugandans. Get? Yeah, that's all you're going to do. So today we are Kenyans, not Ugandans. So now guys, I have finished, yeah. So if you select your omena, you're going to remain with this. So this you can just, now nothing to do with that. So yeah, here we are. Get right, here we are with our omena, very ready. Guys, you follow step by step so that you don't miss anything. Yeah, I had forgotten and put this. If you find like this omena don't, okay, they are nice, they are good, but they don't match with these ones, yeah. sometimes there's bones, so you don't put them. It was just a mistake. Even can make a mistake. Yeah. So when you're back here now, now you're going to get a spoon. Yeah. Then you start. Maybe at first, if you don't fear hot things, you can do like me. You can just do like this. Yeah. If you don't fear hot things. But if you fear, don't. Use a spoon. I think you're going to do this like for like 10 minutes, yeah, or 8, 9, yeah. As long as you see they are turning brown. We want like brown, like here, like something it's dry. So you can reduce your fire because we want fire to enter into our omena. Yeah. So we reduce a little bit. Yeah. So guys, our omena is like they are very much ready. As long as you feel like they are dry. Yeah. You want them to be dry. As you can see, they're even turning color. Let me show you guys what we want. We want something like, as you can see, we want something like that to our omena. So guys, after here, you're going all the way behind here, yeah, to put water, because we remember we have to wash our omena. It's very dry. So we want now water. Even you can hear that sound. We want water now. Guys, you're going to wash your omena. Yeah. You wash. You just don't wash like you are washing clothes. You just do like this. Yeah. You're going to put like 3 spoons. Now it's like we are going to fry omena. what is next is we had prepared our safuria saucepan here. We need cooking oil here. Our spices are here. I've washed them, they are very clean. So we have green pepper, which is hoho, onions, tomatoes, like normal things, yeah. So guys, I've decided to change the safuria, so I'm using this one. It was too small, so it was just disturbing me. Yeah, so I had to change. So guys, thank you for being on this channel. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe, yeah, all those good things. So guys, when you're here, you're going to mix until they are dry like at first. Yeah? So as you mix there, you're going to get a bowl. Maybe like this or anything you can. So if you feel like they are dry, mine it's not yet, so I just prepare my things to be near. I don't want to stress myself. I always put my things near me. So you're going to put here. You bring it back here. I'm going to start with garlic. You can use just small one, just one. It can be enough. Onions. Second, green pepper. You're going to put just little cooking oil. Salt near you. So you're going to first put our onions. Cut small tomatoes, not big. We're going to mix these onions until they're like turning brown. Yeah. Yeah, green pepper. Get our omena. Because when you put after tomatoes, our omena are not going to be soft, and we want them soft. Yeah. So after green pepper, you put it 2 minutes, you put your omena. Our tomatoes are here. Add some salt. Get something, cover. Yeah, let me get it. Cover it because we want our tomatoes to be soft. Yeah. So back here, so we are going to put some, today I'm going to use this. Yeah, this. But I normally prefer rack of beef. Yeah. So today I'm going to use the rack chicken only. Yeah. You're just going to cover. So let us check what we are cooking. Yeah. Oh god, it's hot, guys. It's very hot. Just look at that. Even no need to add milk, what. Can just be okay. Very fine. Yeah. So I'm just going to leave it there for like 2 minutes more. I cover it to be ready for us. Then we eat them here. It is really looking amazing.